Hello, today I will show you how to change your shoot mode on SONY ZV-1 II. To start, open top left icon. Here you can see options in shoot mode, like manual exposure, MR1, shutter priority, aperture priority, and program auto. When you are decided, click again. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.